Hi, my name's Josh Foster. I'm an art director at Machine Agency. Well, they say it's a 9 to 5 job, but that's a lie. Probably get in just before about 8. I'll probably open up Twitter, see what's happening on the internet, see anything current.
Hello, I'm Paul Livingston. I'm production manager for Machine Advertising. We are a below-the-line and digital advertising agency. We specialize in a lot of point-of-sale and promotional items, and as production manager, my role is to source and procure a variety of printed elements. For Red Bull, we had to design and manufacture a sort of street wire motorbike for a promotion that we were doing.
Cool, yeah. So the Red Bull project was for Red Bull X Fighters, which is an international motocross event. Yeah, basically like freestyle motocross, like extreme sports. So we thought, because it's a FMX tournament happening in Africa, it's the only stop in Africa, and it's also the first time we'd been in Africa, that we'd want these journalists who are 2/3 international journalists. We wanted to give them both a piece of the X Fighters event as well as a piece of Africa to take home with them. So it was staring us straight in the face, really, that, like, cool, limited edition toy bikes, awesome thing to have, and then why don't we make them out of tin cans, which is, Red Bull is all about it. It's cans, so we decided, cool, Red Bull can, toy bikes, done deal. So we sent a little toy model of a FMX bike back to work with. There's different guys making these things. We're a team, I think it's probably about 5 or 6 different guys trying to create the same model of a bike. What we got back was actually quite incredible. Once clients saw it, they were like, this is absolutely amazing. Yeah, so I was working with my copywriter, who's actually that guy just knows how to work the internet. And I told him, cool, so we need to find some form of a supplier who will be able to make these bikes for us. And he came back with 2 options, and Stribal was one of them.
I managed to find Stribal on the internet through Google, and the partnership we formed was to design and manufacture this off-road motorbike using the Red Bull cans, prominent branding, and on approval the job was done. We produced close to 1,000 of these bikes for the Red Bull event, which was very successful in the end. And it was a great campaign. And Stribal, one of the suppliers that we've used, has helped us to produce this very successfully.
It probably would have been a lot more difficult, a lot more of a process, rather than just kind of switching on the internet, Googling it, which is kind of you sitting at your desk anyways. It's going to be so much more convenient than walking around and asking people.